Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add meta author additional tag in Wix pages. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it, and then you see we are inside pages and menu. So this is our pages. Now you see about, contact. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see setting, SEO basics. So click on setting. So we are in page setting. Now you see multiple option, and then you see advanced SEO. So click on it, and then you see additional tag. So we are going to add meta author additional tag. So click on it. So we are in additional tag. Now you see multiple tags we added. Now you see add new tag. So click on it, and then you see pop up new meta tag. So you can add HTML code, paste your meta tag in HTML format. Now paste. Now you see angle bracket, meta, name, and then you see author we added. Now you see content. Now you see author name. So you can add your name. So this is our format, angle bracket start, and then angle bracket close. Name is format, content. So you can add author, and then you see Hassan, and then click on apply. Now you see author added, and then click on publish. So in this way you can add meta author additional tag for Wix pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.